These 5 quick tips will save you hours when recaulking a bathroom tub. 1. Always start by thoroughly cleaning the area to remove any soap scum, mildew, or old caulk. 2. Ensure the tub is completely dry before applying new caulk to avoid trapping moisture. 3. Use a caulk specifically designed for bathrooms, such as a silicone-based caulk, which is water-resistant and mold-resistant. 4. Use a caulk smoothing tool or a wet finger to smooth out the caulk immediately after application. 5. Ventilate the bathroom well during the caulking process to help the caulk dry properly and avoid inhaling fumes. Follow these tips and achieve a professional-looking result for your bathroom.